Good morning, everyone. Today is my birthday. Hello and welcome back, my bears, to a new Bubby Eats video. I'm Bubs and I'll be your food guide for today. This is Shirohige Cream Puff Factory and TOLO Coffee and Bakery. On my last trip to Japan back in 2020, when we could actually still travel, pre-COVID, I was able to visit this lovely establishment for my 26th birthday. It's located in Setagaya, just a few minutes away from Setagaya-daita station, and once you arrive, you get to see the most beautiful building, one that almost looks like it came straight out of an animated movie. Bubs, you may ask, what kind of animated movie? Well, my bears, the answer is a Ghibli movie, because as you may have already realized, this bakery slash cafe is officially recognized by Studio Ghibli as a legitimate Ghibli cafe. So on the first floor is the Shirohige Cream Puff Factory, where they make a variety of different flavored cream puffs, all in the shape of totoro. The second floor of the place is TOLO Coffee and Bakery, a little cafe where you can sit down and have a nice lunch or dinner without needing a reservation.
Nice.
On my visit, I tried two different pastas, a aglio e olio, which was very nice and light, and it reminded me of a nice clam linguine, and also a meat creamy red sauce pasta that was reminiscent of a fettuccine bolognese. I'm describing these pastas because, well, on the menu they don't really have names for the pastas, just descriptions, so that's the best I got. Moving on, for dessert, you know I had to try the cream puffs. I mean, just look at them, they're so cute. When you dine in, you'll have the option to order the cream puffs for your table, as TOLO and Shirohige work together. That being said, if you just want to order cream puffs, you can do so on the first floor directly at their counter, along with some other options like little cookies and stuff. The cream puffs were wonderfully baked with very airy cream filling. I tried the banana cream and a custard variant on my visit, and both were extremely delicious. Overall, I definitely recommend you try the place out on your next visit to Japan, whenever that may be. That's all from me for this Bubby Eats video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hungry.